If your home feels heavy after the holidays, it's not about fixing it. It's about supporting it. January comes with a lot of pressure. We're told it's time to reset everything. Our habits, our homes, our routines, all at once. But if you're feeling tired, overwhelmed, or behind before the year has really even started, I want you to hear this first. That doesn't mean you failed. It usually just means your space has been holding a lot, especially in small homes. Our spaces work overtime. One room might be a living room, an office, storage, and a place to rest, all at the same time. So today, we're not doing a full reset. We're doing a gentle January reset, something that actually works in real life. Step 1, start with one surface. The biggest mistake people make in January is trying to reset everything at once. Instead, I want you to pick one surface. Not a whole room, not a whole closet, just one surface. Like a table, a shelf, a counter, or the top of a cabinet. Clear it completely, wipe it down, and then slowly put back only what truly belongs there. What this does is give your brain a clear start and clear finish. When we don't have an ending point, our brain stays in overwhelm mode. But one finished surface tells our brain, this is done. And that feeling of completion is incredibly calming, especially in January. What one surface will you start with? Comment below. Step 2, understand why clutter comes back. Here's something I see all the time. People reset a space, and a few days later, it looks cluttered again. That doesn't mean the reset didn't work. Most clutter isn't clutter. It's just stuff that doesn't have a clear home. If an item doesn't know where it belongs, it will always land on the nearest surface. This is where supportive furniture and storage make such a difference. For example, a storage bench gives blankets and bags someplace to live. A utility trolley catches the items that move with you throughout the day. A table with hidden storage helps reduce visual noise. These pieces aren't about adding more stuff, they're about reducing daily effort. Step 3, redefine what done looks like. One of the most important mindset shifts in January is letting go of the idea that your home needs to be finished. A calm home doesn't mean everything is perfect. It means your space supports you where you are right now. If you reset one surface today, that counts. If you stop halfway through something, that still counts. Rest is part of the reset. This is exactly why I curate Tiny Oasis decor the way I do. Every piece is chosen to quietly support real life, especially in small spaces where everything has to work a little harder. I'll link a few gentle multifunctional favorites below if you're looking for extra support this season. Next week, we're going to talk about how to declutter when you're already tired, without pushing yourself or burning out. See you then. Bye-bye.